The insulation in the attic kind of looks like cotton candy.
Yeah.
But don't actually eat it, guys.
No, don't eat it. Hello and what's up, everybody? How's it going? So, situation. First, I want to explain. So I'm gonna start like a new series on this channel, well, like a side series, like how to fix it, do it yourself, kind of how I did it. And, you know, that way you can learn how to fix some stuff around your house or whatever. But basically, we're gonna have some laughs. We're gonna have a good time doing it. So here's the gist of it. So my house, I own a duplex. It needs some work, and one of our bedrooms that the kids living in, it has an AC vent in it, but it hasn't been blowing any cold air since we moved in there, really. And so I went up in the attic earlier, and I found out that it's not even connected to the right duct. It's coming out of the return, which is sucking air, not blowing air. So we're gonna fix that. And I'm not an AC tech, but I did acquire a job as an AC tech like 15 years ago. So I kind of know what I'm doing, kind of know what I need to do. But yeah, we're gonna do it together. So right now I'm heading to Home Depot. I'm gonna go buy the material and head back to the house and get in that hot ass attic and get to work. Actually, I might wait and have a beer and let the sun go down a little bit because it's like 100 degrees out here in Florida. So we're gonna fix the AC duct and have cold air. All right, here we go. Okay, I've just made it home. I got the material I needed from Home Depot. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so what I got here is some 6-inch flexible duct. I got a collar here, some big motherfucking zip ties. This bag here we got seeds. That's not. I got seeds. Some waterproofing repair tape. I don't know. It's more like metal tape. Some kind of duct tape for AC shit. But hopefully that's all I need. Let's get to work. Okay, so here's the attic, and check this out. 102 degrees up there. We'll wait and have a couple beers first. All right.
Where's the other people?
I don't know. They went to the store, or they went to go get Brett. Okay, I had my couple beers, and it's still hot up there, but it's never gonna get cold. So I got Declan over here.
Hi.
He's gonna help me do this. So I'm gonna need you to help me. I'll have you hand me this up first, and then I'll bring you up here. You can be my video man, all right? Cool. All right, hand me the hand me the collar on your bed.
Collar?
Yeah, the collar.
Is this the collar?
That's the collar. Thank you, sir. All right, the next thing we need is that roll of tape and them zip ties.
All of the zip ties?
Yeah.
This is gonna be hard.
I got it.
Zip ties.
Okay, I'll put this up here. Yep, hand me that in. Good job. All right. Yeah, you got it, right?
Yeah.
So can you climb over that?
Will it break if I fall?
Nah, it won't break. You don't weigh that much.
Oh no, do I step on this?
Yeah, you can step on that. You got it?
Step on this?
All right. I'll move this.
I'm
Move
not
over here.
sweaty already.
You're not sweaty already?
Nope.
Okay.
That rhymes.
So you stay right there.
Okay, right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, let's see. Where are we gonna get some air from? This might be a good spot. Right here.
I don't feel air at all. I don't feel air at all.
Hey, can you hold that? Can you see me on the screen?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Did it go black?
Yeah.
That's all right. But you can see me?
Yeah. I can see you, but not on a
Okay.
camera.
All right, what do I do with the knife?
It's right,
Oh, there it is.
right here.
Okay, I'll take
I can
that.
balance.
Okay.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this if it's... There's red beeping, like blinking.
Nah, it just means that it's on. All right, so we're here, we're in the attic. We're gonna get us a hole right here on the side. And we're gonna put the collar in. I guess we'll make a little mark. What do we need to cut? Should have got a marker maybe.
I have a marker.
On you?
No.
Oh.
But down there.
Alright, so we're gonna cut the hole like this. Now, if you don't have a duct knife, you can use a steak knife or something. Okay, so we're gonna take this collar. Oh, the hole's a little bit too small. So I'm gonna make it a little bigger.
Too small.
A little bit bigger. A little more. Nope, not big enough. You got some stuff in there.
Ooh, some cotton candy.
Yeah, it's like cotton candy.
The insulation in the attic kind of looks like cotton candy.
Yeah.
But don't actually eat it, guys.
No, don't eat it. All right, so we got it in there. So we got our collar in here. There's little tabs in the back in there. I don't know if you can see, but there's little tabs in there. You got to fold them down. So I'm gonna fold them down. Here, Declan, hold the camera.
Okay.
So we're gonna bend the tabs down. Ooh, look at all that cold air coming out.
Oh, I feel it.
You can feel it now, right?
It's because of AC.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let me see.
That's fine.
We're gonna fold these tabs in, like I said. Takes a minute. Feels good, that cold air coming out.
I can't feel it. I'm still not even sweaty.
No?
No.
I'm
See?
sweating my ass off, kid.
My face?
Look at me.
Yeah. See my face?
Yeah.
I'm not even sweating because I'm a kid.
What? Wow. Okay. Hold the camera. I'm gonna take this flex here. On the end, you got this black stuff, right?
Yeah.
We want to put that over the collar. All right.
I want to sit somewhere.
All right, ready? You want to sit?
Yeah.
You can sit on top of that. Okay. So can you see it? All right, so here we go. I'm gonna put this on the collar. You watching?
Yeah.
Pay attention, one day you have to do this. We put that on there, like so. Where's one of them big zip ties?
Zip ties?
There they are. Can you grab it? Yeah, it's right over there.
I can feel the AC on my body
Yeah.
when I'm sitting.
All right, thank you. All right, here you go. So we're gonna take the zip tie here and wrap it around the collar. All right, nice and zip tied. Take the pliers here. We're gonna cut this off. Boom. All right, so now I gotta take the rest of this stuff, this insulation, and put it back over the black and over the collar. Nice like that. And where's the other zip tie? Get the other zip tie. All right, so now I'm gonna take this zip tie and go around the whole thing. Cinch it down. All right, step one complete. Now,
Step two.
now we gotta go take the duct and connect it to the vent in your room, and then you're gonna have AC.
Yay!
Yeah, all right, let's go back out. We're done over on this part.
Yeah, but now we have to go out there.
Yeah, I know.
Uh-oh.
You're good, you're good. Oh, don't forget the flashlight. Ugh.
We don't want to leave that up here.
No, we don't want to do that.
Then it would die and then we have no flashlight.
Yeah.
Well, there's another flashlight in the other van.
Yeah.
Wait. I have to hold it with this hand.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
All right, I got it. Some guy that owned this house before us,
Yeah.
we'll call him Richard.
Yeah.
He pulled a Richard and put this hole in the return. This sucks in air, not blow air. and that was going to the vent over here. And we weren't getting cold air, it was sucking air in. So we're gonna make it blow air, all right? But first we gotta fix this problem. We have a hole here. So we're gonna tape it up.
Yeah, we're gonna get that other piece and then tape it there.
Yeah, so hold that. Oh, it's hot up here, man.
No, it's not.
I'm sweating my butt off. Okay.
I'm sweating my nothing off.
We'll take this tape here, and we're gonna plug that hole with tape.
If I was Spider-Man, I can just jump down there and use my webs to come back up here.
Totally.
Yeah.
Stick it on.
Is that double-sided tape?
Nope. It's called AC tape.
Oh.
It's like metal tape.
Yeah.
Watch me plug this hole. Can't have that hole there. It'll be sucking hot air in there. All right. Man, you're not sweating?
No.
I'm dying. I can't wait to finish this.
Is that a Christmas tree back there?
I hope not.
It
Ow, I
is.
just cut my hand.
Oh, are you okay, man?
Yeah, I'm okay. It's just a little blood. I'll be all right. All right, one more piece,
Then we're good.
and the hole will be plugged.
And then that guy would never know.
Yeah.
It's still there, but...
I'm bleeding.
Oh!
That freaking metal tape is sharp. All right, it's all right. Okay. Woo, it's hot.
Well, now I'm getting hot.
Now it's getting hot.
Now I'm getting a little bit sweaty.
All right, I'm gonna have to get in there. Can you go back over there?
Black. Back over there, but what if it...
You can stand right there.
On that?
Yeah, that's no problem.
It's just...
No, it's wood underneath it. You can stand on it, trust me.
Do you know about houses?
Yeah, build them. Wire them anyway.
Oh, there's Brett's timeout chair when he was a little kid.
Yeah. All right, now we gotta cut this to go on this vent here.
If you want to know who Brett is, Brett's my brother.
Yeah, Brett's the brother. All right. Okay, we're gonna cut this. Let's see, maybe like that should be long enough, right?
Yeah.
Right here. You're gonna stab it. This is really hot.
No. I mean, yeah, it's getting hot.
Ooh, we got cold air coming out. Ooh, yeah. You gotta cut the metal flex inside. Just finish cutting this insulation off. It's like cotton candy.
Cotton candy just fell down there.
All right, there we go. Got rid of that. All right, next step. We're gonna take this flex
Oh, I
out of there.
can feel that cold air.
Yeah, you feel that cold air?
Yeah.
Your room's gonna be cold now.
Yeah, I like it cold. Like snow.
Like snow. It's gonna be like snow in there. All right, ready? So we're gonna put this over the collar of the vent. Down. Remember those zip ties we had?
Yeah.
Where'd they go?
There's.
Oh, they're right here.
Wait, no.
Oh, wait a minute.
There's what?
They're right next to you. Let me see the camera.
Oh yeah.
Can you get them?
Both.
Both of them. Both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a shirt with both of them.
We're gonna make t-shirts called both of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like if I have a white shirt, say both of them on it.
So we're gonna take the zip tie here. And we're gonna put it around this collar. Just like we did with the other one. And I'll cinch it down.
What
Some debris.
happens if the phone dies?
It's not
I
going
made the
to.
GoPro down there.
It won't.
Oh yeah, it's at 54%.
Okay, so that one's on there real good.
Wait, so if the installation on top of the roof, so does that mean they filled the whole entire thing up and then they suck some up back up?
No, they don't fill it all the way up, just a little bit. All right, so we got that on there. Now we're gonna zip tie the rest of the insulation around it.
Ah, you hit me.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see. Whew, it's hot, man, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot now.
There we go.
Is that the AC then?
And,
Wait. Now?
that's how we do it. We now have cold air blowing in the room now, I think. We should. Okay.
I can feel it in there.
Really? All right, next step. Let's get out of this attic because I need some water.
First step. And I need some apple juice.
Okay, get some apple juice. All right, here we go. We're gonna get out of here. Whew. All right, we did it.
Yeah.
We fixed the AC. It is now blowing out of that vent like it should be.
Yeah.
What's the temperature? Look at that. 77 degrees. Well, it did say 77, now it says 80. Let's try that again. Whatever, it says 77 degrees. Okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. I kind of did. I haven't done that in 15 years. It's hot. The things you're gonna need though, you're gonna need some kind of knife. You can get a duct knife from the Home Depot, or you can get like a steak knife that will cut right through the duct. And yeah, that's pretty much all you gotta do. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. And I think next I'm gonna do a light. I'm gonna put a light somewhere in the house because our hallway is dark. Woo! All right, I need a beer. See you guys later. You!